Good day, I'm Stephanie Ramos from BIT 240. Today, I will demonstrate how to hot and cold concoction ice mocha. First step, drizzle your glass with caramel syrup. In the second step, add ice of the glass. Add the vanilla syrup and the milk and stir gently. Pour the coffee in the middle of your glass. In the last step, top with whipped cream. Serve the caramel macchiato with a complimentary pastry on the side. This is the final product of iced caramel macchiato.